breaking news coming in. This is a sensational allegation which has come from the side of the BJP. The BJP has alleged that Sudhakar Badguzar of the UT Sena was seen partying with a Bombay blast accused. This is a sensational allegation which has come from the side of the BJP, and this is that video as well. The BJP basically claims that they have raised an issue in the House. This issue was raised by the BJP MLAs in the Maharashtra Assembly, and they say that there's a video proof where UT Sena Nashik leader Sudhakar Badguzar was allegedly seen partying with a Bombay blast accused Salim Kutta, also an aide of Dawood Ibrahim. Now Salim reportedly is out on parole, but this has turned into a massive political controversy with the BJP gunning for the UT Sena.
Explosive allegations that you have made with respect to some photographic and videographic proofs as well. Can you please explain it in detail?
These are not allegations. I have shown people facts and proofs and photographs where I have clearly showed in the 93 bomb blast, the main accused, Dawood Ibrahim, this is Salim Kutta, who is his very close associate, who has got a lifetime imprisonment, and when he was on payroll, he was out for some time. On the last day of his payroll, he partied with Uddhav Sena's Nashik head, Sudhakar Badguzar, who is seen giving him a bouquet. I have got video evidences also of this particular party where they are seen dancing together also. So my question is, if there is a political party who is directly seen partying with the 93 bomb blast accused, so how safe are all of us? That's why all of us, me, the Guardian Minister of Nashik, Mr. Dada Buse, and all other members in the House, we all came together and pleaded and requested Home Minister, Deputy CM, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis ji to investigate this matter, because this is a very serious matter. This is not a political matter. And Devendra Fadnavis ji has declared an SIT on this particular matter. We also said that this Sudhakar Badguzar is a small man. But who is his godfather? Who is helping him? Who, whenever Sanjay Raut is in Nashik, this guy is 24 hours with him. So I am saying, did Sanjay Raut give him permission to party with Salim Kutta? Was there some plan like 93 bomb blast discussed in this particular party? So it's a direct threat to the entire nation, because the 93 bomb blast had shaken the entire nation. So I think all these things are going to come out in an investigation now.
Sir, a survey of Mathura Mosque has been announced now. OVC basically said that after Babri, after Ayodhya Mandir that has been made, Gyanvapi survey was done. This is an RSS agenda. They are going to do it across the country. How does the BJP look?
We are taking what is ours. Like Ram Mandir was always ours in Ayodhya. The same thing. Mathura, that was originally a mandir there, and then these people have made a mosque.
Okay, Arunil is still live with us. Arunil, we heard what the BJP has to say. This is a sensational allegation which has come from the side of the BJP. They are claiming that UT Sena's Nashik leader Sudhakar Badguzar was seen allegedly partying with a Bombay blast accused. Any reaction coming in from the side of the Uddhav Sena?
Well, at present with me is Mr. Jitendra Awad, a leader from the Sharad Pawar camp, a key alliance partner of the Uddhav Thackere's Shiv Sena party. Now, very serious allegations. Now, explaining about Salim Kutta as well, somebody who is accused of landing RDX on the coastal region of Maharashtra, in the southern coastal region of Maharashtra, key accused in the 1993 Bombay blast, seen partying with one of the leaders of the Uddhav Thackere camp, Sudhakar Badguzar from Nashik. SIT has been ordered by Devendra Fadnavis, the Home Minister.
That is okay. If Badguzar has done something wrong, you can definitely inquire into it. Where does the Thackere family come in between? There are crores and crores of followers of Thacker's. Do you expect to take moral responsibility of everybody? It's absolute weird. Do you ask for character certificates?
No, but Nitish Rane basically said that Badguzar is close to Sanjay Raut as well, and Sanjay Raut is close to the Thackere family, and that is why there is some link. That is his allegation from...
that allegations in air, and you take it seriously, is a very humorous thing. Times now has a credibility in the market, and you should behave accordingly.
So very serious allegations, and it has been taken cognizance inside the assembly as well, and that is why we basically are breaking this story. Devendra Fadnavis has ordered a special investigation team investigating this entire matter, because Sudhakar Badguzar, a leader from Nashik leader of the Uddhav Thackeray camp of the Shiv Sena, seen parting, seen felicitating somebody who is out on parole and is a key accused of the 1993 Bombay blast. Very serious allegations against Salim Kutta as well. The reason for that is he's been seen as a close aide of Dawood Ibrahim, and he was responsible for landing the RDX, which was done in a huge quantity that basically saw a series of Bombay blasts, series of blasts across the city of Mumbai in 1993. And Nitesh Rane basically raised the question inside the assembly. Home Minister has ordered an SIT probe.
Well, absolutely. And the Shinde Sarkar has also ordered an SIT probe. That's the latest development as far as this sensational allegation by the BJP is concerned. Thank you, Arunil. Apologies for joining us with all these details. With that, we slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side.